Okay, it is day 57. It is Wednesday, and so as y'all know, it is weigh-in Wednesday, which I had a new experience today in that I didn't lose any weight at all. Zero. Stayed exactly the same. And I've not had that happen yet, and I was so bummed. I was so bummed. But then also because I'm changing my life so much and things are so different, I want to lose every week, but I also can look at my week and really say that I did everything right. So I can't beat myself up. In the past, if I didn't lose, if I was on a diet, quote unquote diet, then, I would cheat or not work out or whatever, and then I could go, oh, well, remember on this day I did this, and this day I did this, and all that. That's why I didn't lose. But that's just not the case anymore. So I have to celebrate my wins. Amy, sorry, squirrel. Amy texted me something today, so I wanted to share it with y'all. She's reading Made to Crave, and she texted this to me, and I thought this was really encouraging. I'm trying to pull it up. I meant to have it up already. Sorry. Seriously? It's going to be stuck, I guess. She said, this popped out at her, define your week by obedience, not by a number on the scale. And so if I define my week by obedience, then I've had a great week. So that's how I'm going to define it. I wanted to tell y'all about my workout today because I actually can remember everything, and it was really hard. I think that, Paul's, I don't know if he's stepping up my workout, but it felt like it today. So I got there, did about 20 minutes on the treadmill, and then he said, okay, come and we're going to do, these circuits first. So we did the ropes, the big ropes like you see on Biggest Loser or whatever, 50 slams of the ropes, and then kettlebell swings. So you squat, swing it between your leg, and when you come up like this, you trade arms, okay? So do that 50 times, and then do 20 push-ups on the bar. So did that 4 times, and then got back on the treadmill at a 15 incline and did that for 4 minutes. And then he took us outside. And so today we had the big, huge, gigantic tire, and had to flip it, down, like squat down and stand up and flip it, and squat down, stand up and flip it. And then, so one of us was doing that, and then the other one had 2 15-pound kettlebells and did lunges down, and then when we got to the end, did squat jumps or thrusts or whatever those are called. So you squat with the kettlebells in your hand, and then you jump up in the air. So squat jump 15 times, and then squat jumps with no kettlebells 15 times, and then run a lap, and then come back and do that 4 times. So each different group of things we do 4 times. And y'all, it kicked my booty today. Oh, then we went inside and we did, okay, we got a mat, and you straddle the mat, not like wide, but you straddle it like in a, like this is my front leg, this is my back leg, in a lunge, and do 15 where your back leg hits the mat when you come down into the lunge. So 15 right, 15 left, 20 push-ups, then straddle the mat the other way and do squat jumps, do 20 of those, and then we did plank. So it was a very, very intense workout today. It was good. My weight has lowered, so I finally lowered that on my watch, and so I burned 906 calories today, and I mean to tell you, I earned every single one of them today, so that was kind of crazy. Food was great today. I had this very new favorite thing from MyFitFoods called Ninja Tenderloin, and I had to get the medium to get enough protein in, but I was hungry, so that was good. It was so good. I really like it. It's just tenderloin on a bed of like spinach with mushrooms and onions. And then I made I had taco meat and beans for lunch and that kind of stuff. So food's good. I am confident that I'll have a great week. I'm really, really trying to be conscious of my water and of my sodium. So, all right, this was sort of a long video today, but I just wanted to tell y'all about Weigh-In Wednesday and sort of my disappointment, but also my encouragement in that, you know, it's just I'm gonna have those kind of weeks. So anyway, I hope y'all are all doing well and enjoying your Wednesday night. It's hump day, yay! Only 2 more left. All right, talk to you later.